Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here with another quick and easy tutorial. If you're experiencing issues with your Bluetooth audio on Windows 10, such as bad sound quality, lags, or interruptions, you're in the right place. We'll go through a series of steps to troubleshoot and hopefully resolve these issues. So, let's dive right in. First up, let's start by running the Bluetooth troubleshooter. This built-in tool can help identify and fix common Bluetooth problems automatically. To get started, open the Start menu by clicking on the Windows icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Type in Troubleshoot and select Troubleshoot Settings from the search results. This will open up the Troubleshoot Settings window. Here, click on Additional Troubleshooters on the right panel. In the list of troubleshooters, find and click on Bluetooth under Find and Fix Other Problems. Then, click on Run the Troubleshooter. Follow any on-screen prompts and let Windows do its thing. This might resolve the issue right away. If the troubleshooter didn't solve the problem, the next step is to update your Bluetooth drivers. To do this, open the Start menu again and type Device Manager. Select Device Manager from the search results. In the Device Manager window, look for Bluetooth. Click on the arrow to expand the Bluetooth section. You should see your Bluetooth device listed there. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. In the next window, choose Browse My Computer for drivers and then let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. If you see any manufacturer-specific drivers, select those. If not, you can choose a generic one. Click Next to proceed. Once the update is complete, click Close, and you may need to restart your computer. Another important step is to check the Windows audio service. To do this, open the Start menu again and type Services. Select Services from the search results. In the Services window, scroll down and find Windows Audio. Double-click on it to open its properties. Make sure that the startup type is set to automatic. If the service is stopped, click Start to run the service. After making any changes, click Apply and then OK to save them. Lastly, let's adjust the sound settings to ensure there are no enhancements causing issues. Open the Start menu. Type Control Panel and select it from the search results. In the Control Panel, set the View by option at the top right to large icons and then click on Sound. Under the Playback tab, select your Bluetooth speaker or headphones and click Properties. Go to the Enhancements tab and check Disable all enhancements. Click Apply and then OK. And that's it. You've now gone through all the steps to troubleshoot and fix Bluetooth audio issues on Windows 10. I hope these solutions help you get your sound back to normal. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.